G'day everyone, Nathan here at Glass for Classics. Today we're going to run through mounting the front trim to the rear quarter window on your HK HX Holden Coupe Monaro. Very straightforward process. Now the original product from the factory was called setting tape. Same stuff that they used on the front quarter vent windows. This is the old piece, as you can see, quite dried out, not going to be salvageable. This particular customer has had his frames polished up. He's got nice new glass. We do offer the glass with 3 variations of safety stamps. There's a simple one here, there's the hand holding the hammer, and there's the original triangle marking on the glass. All 3 are available to you. Now, this is what we're going to use, setting tape. This is the 1.6mm setting tape, works on both the new glass and the original glass if you are reusing that. All we're going to do, simply fold this in half into a U shape. Don't need to be too exact, as long as it's roughly in half. We're going to sit this on the leading edge of the vent window, just sit it flush with the top. We've got some kerosene on our rag here. We're going to give this just a light white to get a nice glossy finish. Grab our trim. As long as you're sitting flush at the top and this is just sitting flush on the glass, you're right. Give that a gentle push. Line that up. Couple of taps with the mallet and we're all good. Paint razor blade, get a brand new one. If you slip with an old one, you risk scratching it. If you slip with a new one, less chance of scratching. We're just going to trim the excess off, running down here. That is now done. That's ready for you to fit your rubber trim to the front edge, which you can buy elsewhere, but that is ready to go straight in the car. You don't need to let that cure or go off. It's ready to go. It is a friction resistance fit. So if you need the new glass, let us know. If you need setting tape, let us know. It's only around $10 a metre. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Our number's 1300 442 000, or give us an email to inquiries@glassforclassics.com.au. Talk to you soon.